Hello everyone, welcome. This is Maria Jingle and thank you again for joining me in my channel. Today I am going to show you how to bake a whole fish, simple, easy, tasty, moist, and delicious. Using already cleaned Pampano fish, I coated them all with salt and pepper inside and out. Then I drizzled olive oil each one of them. At the bottom side of the fish, I lay a bed of ginger and lemon to each one of them. Then I stuffed them with all the spices that I have prepared earlier. The onion, ginger, and scallions. This will help take out and remove the fishy smell. I did cut the fish, as you notice, twice on each side. I like putting spices in there in between, specifically the ginger, and also the seasoning and the olive oil goes through there. That will help make the baked fish more tasty and aromatic. Then I put the lemon on top of each fish, and if you have spices left over, you can just lay them down on top before covering. I have the oven ready for me under 400 degrees. It will take about 35 to 40 minutes for all the fish to be cooked. The oven is running under 400 degrees and I am going to put this inside in the middle rack. After 20 minutes, I took off the foil covering and leave the 3 whole fish uncovered and continue cooking for another 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, the fish has been cooked. Then I start broiling them for about 2 to 3 minutes. That will give a smoky and crispier skin outcome of the fish. The fish is ready to be served. This is another healthy way of preparing and cooking a fish. This is actually a very good recipe, and if you would want to try it, let me know. This is quick and easy, tasty, moist, and delicious. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video, and I will see you again on my next video. If you have not subscribed in my channel, please hit subscribe, the notification bell, and the like button so you will be notified on all of my uploaded videos. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay!